Unlock the potential of affiliate marketing, a step-by-step method for beginners to earn up to $537 a day online. Are you tired of wasting your money on various online money-making opportunities that never seem to work? Well, today I'm going to share with you affiliate marketing. This method is perfect for beginners, and the best of all is that it actually works. It actually delivers outstanding results. As a matter of fact, it has the potential to earn $537 per day. This method is no joke. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps you need to take to succeed with this method. Pay close attention to all the details as they are keys to making serious money. Let's start right away. For those who may not be familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically a way to earn money by promoting products or services created by others. As an affiliate marketer, you'll share a unique affiliate link with your audience. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you'll receive a commission as a result. It's a simple and effective way to earn money by connecting people with products they might be interested in. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or service. You simply promote someone else's offering. This means you don't have to deal with product development, customer service, or other business-related tasks. Instead, you can focus on what you excel at, whether it's creating content, building an audience, or leveraging your network of friends and family. Affiliate marketing allows you to focus on your strengths and capitalize on them without the added burden of managing a product or service. By promoting products that you really trust and that you know would benefit your audience, you not only earn money but also provide value to your followers. However, like any other business or opportunity, affiliate marketing requires effort and hard work to succeed. You'll need a deep understanding and knowledge of the products you're promoting, as well as a well-thought-out strategy for reaching and convincing your audience to make purchases. But with hard work, diligence, and the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding way to earn money online. Now that you have a good grasp of what affiliate marketing is all about, it's time to dive into this easy way of earning money for today's video. Let's dive into it. The first step is to join the Unbounce affiliate program. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser and search for Unbounce affiliate. Once you've located their website, take a closer look at what they have to offer. Unbounce is a landing page builder that simplifies the process of creating high-converting landing pages, even if you have no coding knowledge. Landing pages are specialized websites designed to drive specific actions from visitors, such as signing up for a newsletter, downloading a lead magnet, or making a purchase. They play a crucial role in growing an online business and boosting conversions. What makes Unbounce different from other landing page builders is its user-friendly interface and flexibility, making it easy to use for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. With Unbounce, you have the option to create landing pages from scratch or utilize their pre-designed templates that can be fully customized to align with your brand and messaging. Adding elements such as text, images, video, and forms is a breeze with just a few clicks. Moreover, you can seamlessly connect your landing page to your email marketing platform, or CRM, to automate the lead capture process. But that's not all. Unbounce offers even more features and benefits to help you create highly effective landing pages for your online business. Unbounce also provides a range of powerful features to optimize your landing pages for maximum conversions. You can conduct A/B testing to determine the best performing version of your landing page, track visitor behavior using heat maps and click tracking, and even create pop-ups and sticky bars to capture more leads. While Unbounce offers a variety of features, for a money-making approach, we'll be utilizing its affiliate program, which is known for its generous recurring commissions. As an affiliate, you have the potential to earn up to 20% in recurring commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This means that if you refer a customer to Unbounce and they sign up for a paid plan, you'll receive a commission every month as long as they remain a customer. The more customers you refer, the more money you can make. To join the Unbounce affiliate program, simply click on the big orange Join Now button on their website. This will take you to the sign up page, which is straightforward and easy to fill out. You'll need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and website URL, if you have one, as well as create a password for your affiliate account. Before you can officially join the Unbounce affiliate program, you'll need to review and agree the terms and conditions. It's important to take the time to carefully read through them to fully understand your responsibilities as an affiliate. Once you have completed the sign-up form and agreed to the terms and conditions, click on the Submit button to submit your application. The Unbounce team will then review your application, and it may take a few days for your account to be approved. After your account is approved, you'll be able to log into your affiliate dashboard and receive your unique affiliate link. This link is what you will use to promote Unbounce to your audience, and it's how Unbounce will track your referrals and pay you commissions. Now that you've signed up for the Unbounce affiliate program, you may be curious about how much money you can actually earn. Let me show you a simple calculation that will give you an idea of your potential earnings. Let's say you have 5,000 visitors to your Unbounce affiliate page in a month, which is a commendable number. However, let's be realistic and assume that only 2% of these visitors actually make a purchase from Unbounce. That would amount to 250 sales in a month. For each sale of Unbounce through your unique affiliate link, you would earn a commission of $100. It's important to note that this is a recurring commission program, which means you'll continue to earn $100 every month as long as the person you referred continues to use Unbounce. Now let's do the math. 250 sales multiplied by $100 commission per sale equals $25,000 per month in earnings. This is a remarkable figure, especially for someone just starting out as an affiliate marketer. Please note that these numbers are approximate and your actual earnings will vary based on various factors such as the number of visitors to your affiliate page, the conversion rate of these visitors into sales, and the duration of their usage of Unbounce. However, the key takeaway is that affiliate marketing can be a lucrative online income stream, particularly when you promote a product or service that you genuinely trust and that offers genuine value to your audience. The second step is to go to Quora. Once you join the Unbounce affiliate program, it's time to begin promoting Unbounce to your audience. One effective method is to utilize a platform like Quora. Quora is a website where people seek answers from experts in various fields by asking questions. As an Unbounce affiliate, you can leverage Quora to identify individuals who are asking questions related to landing page builders or online marketing in general. You can provide them with valuable information and resources, including your affiliate link to Unbounce. To get started on Quora, simply create an account and begin searching for questions related to landing page builders. You can use specific keywords such as best landing page builder or Unbounce versus other landing page builders to find relevant questions. The last step is to start answering questions on Quora using ChatGPT. When you come across a question on Quora that makes you feel knowledgeable about, take the time to compose a well-thought-out and informative response. Be sure to include your affiliate link to Unbounce so that anyone who reads your response and is interested in trying Unbounce can do so through your link. To further simplify this process, you can also use ChatGPT, a powerful AI, to help you generate high-quality responses to questions related to landing page builders and Unbounce. To use ChatGPT for generating answers with your affiliate link included, first find a relevant question on Quora. Then use ChatGPT to generate your response. Copy and paste your generated response into the Quora answer box, ensuring that you include your affiliate link. It's important to know that Quora has a vast user base, with millions of users visiting the platform every day to ask and answer questions. This means that not only the person who asked the question may see your answer and click on your affiliate link, but also other users who come across the question and read your response. This increases the potential for generating clicks on your affiliate link and boosting your earnings. This presents a significant opportunity for you to reach a wide and diverse audience with your Unbounce affiliate link. That's everything you need to know about affiliate marketing using Unbounce. Now, I know that there's so much to take in when it comes to doing successful affiliate marketing, but I assure you that it will come easy right away. Yes, it sounds intimidating, but the process is really simple and easy. Just follow everything I've shared, and before you know it, you're already earning money through this. Give it a try and you'll be surprised by its amazing results. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.